Hello friends, in this video we will learn about the story of Kolari Lake. Kolari Lake is one of the freshwater lakes. It is one of the biggest lake in India, and the area of the Kolari Lake is around 6121 square kilometers. Generally the Kolari Lake is found between Godavari and Krishna districts. In case of an excess of amount of water in the Kolari Lake, it is being discharged into the Bay of Bengal. In the year 1991, the government has declared the Kolari Lake as a bird sanctuary. There are around 193 different species and varieties of bird living in that lake, and various medical plants are also being found there. It is a biggest habitat to flora and fauna. In an year, it is generally 20 lakh different birds visit the Kolari Lake, which are generally the migratory birds, which are from the Europe and Northern Asia. But in the last few years, there has been reduction in the size of the Kolari Lake, as well as there has been increase in the pollution levels of the Kolari Lake. The major reasons for this is aquaculture business, agriculture activities, as well as industries being started up in that area, and municipal sewage waste. We will study the 4 points in detail. Aquaculture business is dividing the lake with the help of the bunds and growing different varieties of species of fishes or prawns in large quantity. This is one of the profitable business in the Godavari district. Apart from the agriculture, people in that district do aquaculture business. As shown in this image, by creating such a kind of bunds on the lake, the size of the lake has been reduced, and the aquaculture waste will also be thrown into the lake. There is certain amount of waste being produced in this business, which is being channelized into the lakes. The second reason is many industries which have been started up in the area are throwing the industrial waste, which contains different kinds of toxic material into the lake, which affects the natural habitat of the lake, and many of the species of fishes have become endangered because of this. There are around 20 lakh people living around the lake, and the municipal sewage waste, which is generally the day-to-day activity waste, has been channelized into the lake, and this has resulted in pollution of the lake.